Imagine a world where seeing isn't believing anymore. That's the reality we're stepping into with the rise of deepfake technology, powered by advanced AI. Deepfakes are hyper-realistic fake videos and images created using artificial intelligence. They can make anyone say or do anything, and they're becoming increasingly difficult to detect. Welcome back to Cyber AI Pros, your trusted source for the latest in cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into how AI is both creating these convincing fakes and how it's being used to detect them. Let's get started. What are deepfakes? Deepfakes utilize deep learning, a subset of AI, to fabricate images and videos that appear incredibly real. By analyzing countless photos and videos of a person, AI models can replicate their likeness and mannerisms with astonishing accuracy. The rise of deepfake technology. Initially developed for entertainment and artistic purposes, deepfakes have evolved rapidly. With accessible software and apps, almost anyone can create a deepfake with minimal technical expertise. The double-edged sword. While there are positive applications, like in movies for special effects or bringing historical figures to life, deepfakes also pose serious threats. 1. Misinformation and fake news. Deepfakes can spread false information, potentially influencing public opinion in elections. 2. Fraud and impersonation. Scammers can mimic voices and appearances to deceive individuals and organizations. 3. Privacy violations. Creating non-consensual fake content can harm reputations and invade personal privacy. How AI creates deepfakes. The technology behind deepfakes often involves generative adversarial networks, GANs. These are AI systems where two neural networks compete. 1. Generator creates fake images or videos. 2. Discriminator evaluates them against real data. Through this competition, the generator improves, producing increasingly realistic fakes. AI's role in detecting deepfakes. Fortunately, AI is also our best defense against deepfakes. Researchers are developing advanced algorithms to spot inconsistencies and artifacts that humans might miss. 1. Blink rates and eye movement. Early deepfakes often failed to replicate natural blinking patterns. 2. Facial microexpressions. Subtle facial movements that are hard to mimic perfectly. 3. Audio analysis. Discrepancies in voice patterns and background sounds. By training detection AI on known deepfakes, these systems become proficient at identifying manipulated media. What can we do? 1. Stay informed. Be critical of the media you consume. 1. Check multiple sources. 2. Educate others. Share knowledge about deepfakes with friends and family. 3. Support ethical AI practices. Encourage transparency and responsibility in tech development. The future of deepfakes. As AI technology advances, deepfakes will become even more convincing. It's a constant race between creation and detection. Collaboration between tech companies, governments, and individuals is essential to mitigate the risks. Conclusion. Deepfakes represent one of the most significant challenges in the digital age, but with awareness and advanced detection methods, we can navigate this complex landscape. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you encountered a deepfake? How do you think we can combat their negative impacts? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Cyber AI Pros for more updates on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Stay curious, stay vigilant, and stay secure.